I realized that it was not interesting to study only the blender and some random scenes. I realized that I wasn't interested in that, so I decided to start making a story. To do storytelling, I have a real story about 2 cups that I want to visualize later. I'll post the story itself when I've made all the elements of the story. Today is the first video where I will model the cups themselves. The story is real, so I'll be making details for the story while learning the program. This is the first video of the production cycle, where I will model, make animation, compose, and at the end of this cycle, I will release the story itself. We will see how it will look like. I won't be so bored learning the program. And every detail that I model or animate will have a certain meaning in this story. So join us. Maybe this is a step towards something bigger and more exciting.